Hi guys, it's your girl Isha, the plus size diva, back at it again with another video. In here. But yeah, I'm back guys. Okay, I'm back with another video. I'm giving you Slick Braid Pony Realness. And today we're gonna be doing everyday makeup beat. My 2020 everyday natural beat. If I choose to wear makeup right now, I don't have no makeup on. My eyebrows can use some arching. My eyes can use a little mascara or some lashes or something. So yeah, let's get into this everyday natural beat. If you like my hair, make sure you go tune into the video before this that I posted to get a step-by-step tutorial on how to get a sleek braided ponytail. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, more content. Drop down content y'all want to see down below, okay? Because I'm about to come with that heat. Okay, so here you're seeing me going to my Gwen Stefani palette. And I'm using this like it's a burgundy, but on your eyes, it look brown. It's like a burgundy brown. It's hard to like really describe it. But yeah, I'm doing little circular motions or whatnot. Circular motions, because that's what you're going to do. You know, you want to do a fluffy brush, and you want to be light-handed because this is a soft glam. So we just want, like, you know, it to be flowy on the eyes or whatever. And I like the way the brown highlights, like, the concealer I used on my eyes when I was covering up my eyebrows. That was Too Faced concealer, full coverage. And I love it so much. And yeah, I threw this little voice in over because, like, yeah, why not? So really, I'm just talking about the eyes, clearly. So, alright, so yeah, I'm mainly on the eyes. So I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch, and I'll get back to you when things get a little bit more interesting. Bye. I don't contour for everyday beat because for what? But I do put on blush. She walking around with them bands like this, she just done in jail without pro ain't missing. I'm dropping hit out the heat, I'm chilling, but I send the hill, I took on my trip. Get it, the business. I'm from around the time, it was fat, I told her they off my heart, if they making me hard. let me find out. Don't let me find out. Alright. On fleek lashes.